Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you a 5 minutes look with a pink color and a brown shade. This is kind of a nude look, so let's see how it goes. And although I've never tried this brown lip shade on my face, so I can't tell you whether it will go or not. You guys have to tell me this in my comment section after seeing my final look, whether it goes, whether it suits or not. Yes, it will take a 5 minutes only, not more than that. This look is basically for the office people or the college going students or the person whoever is in a hurry, so they can just do it in 5 minutes and they can run off. So let's see how the final result comes out. Basically, we start with the CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. As I've already done my CTM, so you guys can do your CTM and come to the next step, which is using the concealer. I'm using this concealer, Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, which helps in covering dark circles and also helps in making eye base. So let's see how I make my eye base. So we're gonna dab. You're gonna use a beauty blender or a brush as you wish. I use a beauty blender, so it's up to you. You're gonna use what? Use the loose powder. I am having this loose powder of Revolution Pro. You can also use this compact, but I prefer is this loose powder or translucent powder, whatever you can use. It's up to you. We use it in a proper quantity, not too excess, not too low. Just in a proper quantity by dapping all over our eyes, all over the foundation, whatever we are using in a liquid, so that it will be dry and you can use the colors on it. You will be using it like this if you are using a loose powder with a brush. That's it. I'm going to use the Amorous palette right now, the Bubble Pop Amorous palette. In this, I'll be taking the pink shades, as you can see, this one and this one. I'll be mixing the both and doing it all over on my eyes. It's a very simple look, so don't be afraid. Anyone can do this look. See. We are going to use a blending brush for this. You can also use a flat brush as well. But I prefer as a blending brush, as the color should not be looked as the kept one. It should be looked blended. So this is a very simple step. You can use it. Just give your eye a shade. This is how the pink color comes out, and if you guys want to give some glittery, as I have given in my eyes, so you guys can go for the pink glittery shade, this one. Use it a very little quantity, not too much, and neither too less, just a proper quantity, so that this your eyes can make it pop out. So it's up to you if you want to give. If you don't want to give, it's totally up to you. It depends upon you if you like the glitter or not. So I have given a thick eyeliner on my eyes using this Lakme. As you guys can see, Lakme eyeliner. It is a very cheap eyeliner, and yes, it has a good impact on your eyes. I've given the thick liner because my eyes are bigger. The bigger eyes goes for the thick liner, and a wing also. But I don't like going for the wing, so I have not given the wing as well. It totally depends upon you how you want your liner and your eyes as well. How the liner should be, it depends on your eyes. Not every kind of eye can have a thick liner. Some eyes look good in a thin liner as well. So the next step, we go on to the yellow corrector now for hiding the dark circles. As you guys can see, I've already used it. So it's just using a foundation brush and the yellow corrector. If you guys have a lot of dark circles that cannot be hidden from the yellow corrector, so you guys have to go for the red one. But you have a medium or a light one, so you guys can go for the orange or the yellow one. Just use it for giving your eye shape as well. You can give your eye shape with this only. It easy works. And as soon as you use it, you're gonna use a blender so that the color can be blended. The next step now is to use a neutralizer and neutralize your yellow tone. Again, I'm gonna use this Kryolan F26 as a neutralizer, and I'm just gonna use it on the place where I have this dark circles and I have used a corrector. Everything should be in a proper quantity, not too much and not too less. As soon as you're using this concealers, corrector, foundation, you guys have to dab like this. See, the yellow tone is gone now. So it helps in neutralizing and gets your skin in a single tone. Now I'm gonna use a Dairy Forever 52 foundation according to my skin tone, obviously. Not too much, but yes, in a proper quantity again. Don't use excess, don't use less. It's a very good foundation and a very good range according to the shade, as you can see. It gives a good coverage as well. What I do is, after completing my half face, I start using the blender like this, you see. So as I've applied the foundation all over my face, so the next step I'm gonna do is using the concealer. I'm gonna use it of Daily Forever 52, not of Swiss Beauty. The Swiss Beauty one does not give a good coverage as this gives. So this, you're gonna use it a light one, not too much. And I'm also not gonna do a contour on my face today, as it is a nude look, and nude look does not need a contour. And according to me, I don't know this. So now, as I've completed my foundation part and the concealer part, so now I'll be using the loose powder of Revolution Pro, as I've already told you. You guys can also use this as a compact. So I'm gonna use it just a light one so that my base can be settled. The base is basically the foundation only, and we're gonna use it all over the face. Yes, all over the face. And for the eyes part, you're gonna keep it for at least 1 minute. At least 1 minute. Same. You have to keep it for 1 minute so that your eyes can be baked and the dark circles are hidden properly. Like this. You're gonna keep the powder inside your eyes, under your eyes. Like this, right? And my head is left and my also nose is left. So the eyes are baking until we can make our eyebrows, and also you guys can go for the mascara and the kajal part, as I have already put it. Basically, I use the mascara and the kajal of Maybelline, and right now for the eyebrow one, I am using this from a palette itself. It's a Swiss Beauty Winky palette of 36 eye shades, and I am using this color, a brown color, for my eyebrows, as I don't go for a black one, as I already have a guffy eyebrows. So it's better to fill the eyebrows just with a dark brown color. See, if this is done with a black color, it will look like a guffy one. It will look like a so bad. She's having a very thick eyebrows. So this is again with this. My eyebrows are also done, as you guys can see the difference between the before eyebrows and the after eyebrows. Now I'm gonna remove this powder, the excess powder I have been put on my eyes, under eye, like this. You guys can also just go for it for one time on your whole face as well. See, you guys can see the difference. You guys will be able to see the difference on your own. The powder has come out, and the under eye has been hidden, the dark circles are hidden. So this is the difference. Now what I'm going to do is use a blusher, a light blusher or a medium blusher, not too loud blusher, as we are going for the day makeup or nude look. We're going to use a light one, not a dark. If you guys can see, given by me is in a minimalistic look, a very light blusher or not a very dark blusher, as you guys can see. You have to go for a locking of this blusher by upward movement in your forehead, like this. We'll be locking your blusher like this, and a very minimalistic, because we're going for a nude look, so I don't like going for a hard blusher. So this is how we give the blusher. And now it's turn for the highlighter as well. So I'm using this one, and it's a very good highlighter. See the shine, like the shine. I just don't like this shine, I love the shine on my face. The highlighter part is also done by me, and now the scariest part comes in, is the lipstick one. I'm really scared how the lipstick is gonna go. So I'm not gonna show you how I put my lipstick, and I'm gonna go for the final look itself. So let's wait for the final look, and you guys will be seeing it in 1 second only. So guys, this is the look of brown lipstick. I'm really not liking it. I'm really hating this lipstick. I just go and want to remove this lipstick right now and wash my face just because of this yuck lipstick. So obviously the color doesn't suit to everyone, so basically I have to see what color suits to me. So you guys also see what color suits to you, and do comment below in the comment section about your reviews on my brown lipstick. So let's see, and it's yuck.